How I spread hope, courage, and unity is advocating for others and standing up for the minority.
I enjoy spreading hope, courage, and unity by making somebody's day. This could be through greeting somebody, it could be through asking them how their day is going. And I really, really love when I have an opportunity to surprise somebody by maybe purchasing their groceries or buying their gas or even a cup of coffee. Making somebody's day makes my day.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being inclusive and treating everyone how I would want to be treated.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by participating in activities in this group of common diversity, and I also support the people in my community. I also advocate the dreams living in people that are right now unseen, but they will come true.
We spread hope, courage, and unity by showing up to school with a positive attitude each day.
And engaging in our athletics community.
And being kind to everyone.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being a positive, encouraging influence in the lives of the people around me.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by standing up for people even when they're not there to see it.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by loving and being there for others when they need it.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being inclusive to everyone, and if someone has a disability or something, I'm always understanding and trying to respect them and kind of like seem interested in what they're doing, but like not be like weird about it.
I give hope, courage, and unity to people who need love and support and they don't feel like they have it.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by accepting who people are and being kind to them.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by creating an environment where successes are celebrated and challenges are addressed collaboratively.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by creating a welcoming environment within our school.
And I spread unity by making sure that everyone in our school feels included.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being a leader through DECA and Student Council.
And then I spread hope, courage, and unity by being a positive role model inside and outside of school.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by pushing people to pursue their goals when they're not motivated to.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being welcoming and respecting others.
I spread hope, courage, and unity through positivity.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being respectful to everyone I meet and supporting anyone, anytime, any way that I can.
How I spread hope, courage, and unity is by showing love, being respectful, and being kind to others.
I spread hope as I am respectful to others no matter what.
I spread unity by respecting everyone.
I encourage unity by making sure that all the students here feel that they're in a safe environment and are all treated equally.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by reminding people that they matter.
I spread unity by making sure everybody is included.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by encouraging my peers.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by being kind to anybody who I cross paths with.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by helping students see how their unique talents can contribute to a better world.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by encouraging people to be more who they want to be.
I spread hope, courage, and unity by volunteering at the hospital and making people laugh.
I spread hope, courage, and unity through being a leader to underclassmen.
I spread hope, courage, and unity through my compassion and sympathy for others.